In this video, we are out in the field with a Case IH 8250 combine harvesting winter wheat in central New York. This farm is finishing up their last 20 acres of wheat harvest for the 2023 harvest. The Case IH 8250 combine is Case's second biggest combine. It comes in at 480 horsepower with a 410 bushel grain tank. The unloading auger unloads at an impressive 4.5 bushels per second. This combine is running the 3162 35-foot Draper Head from Case IH. The benefit of the Draper Head is it has a conveyor belt moving the material to the center of the combine instead of an auger. That allows the material to flow better when the straw gets damp early in the mornings or later at night. The tracks on the front are the same as on a Case IH quad track tractor. These are the 36-inch wide tracks. And in the back, they are running 750 65 R26 tires. This is a great setup for flotation, especially for the wet harvests that we get in central New York in the fall. Instead of spreading out the straw, they put it in a windrow because this will all be baled up and sold to local dairy farmers. Thank you for watching this Case IH 8250 working on winter wheat harvest in central New York. Please take a minute to subscribe so that you don't miss any awesome tractor videos.